Please subscribe to our channel, and for latest update, click on the bell icon.
Hello children. In today's conversation, we are going to discuss about applying for a job. You found something in the paper or somebody sends you to the office, and at the office, you are getting the support of the receptionist to get how to apply, how to fill in the form, how to get the job available in that office. You want it and you're trying to get her help. So, today's conversation, we are going to talk about applying for a job, getting it, how to get it. So, and get the help of the receptionist at the office. So, she's at the office, there had been a job in the paper, and she made the receptionist. And she said, "Good day, madam, I'm Anne." And say, "Good day, madam, good day." Good day, madam. I am Anne. I am Anne. So Anne is there coming to meet the receptionist, and she says, "Good day, madam. I am Anne, looking for a job. Help me." Then the receptionist says, "Good morning, Miss Anne. Good morning. Good morning, Miss Anne. What can I do for you? What can I do for you?" So Anne goes to the office, meets the receptionist, and says, "Good day, ma'am." And she says, "Good morning, Miss Anne. What can I do for you?" Then Anne says, "I saw your advertisement and have come regarding that job." So Anne says, I saw your advertisement. I saw your advertisement and have come and have come regarding and have come. I saw your advertisement and have come regarding that job. Have come regarding that job. So they had been advertising for certain job, and Anne saw it. She read it, and now she's coming and asking the help of the receptionist. "Anne, please sit down and fill in these forms." So reception is very happy. Anne also is very happy, and she's told, "Anne, please, please sit down and fill in these forms. Please sit. Please sit down and fill in these forms." Or reception could have said, "Yes, yes, we had advertised something. All right, please come in, take these forms, please fill up these forms and give it to me. Please, and please sit down and fill in these forms in detail. In detail. All right? Thanks, madam. I shall do so. Thanks. Thanks, madam. Thanks, madam. I shall do so. I shall do so. Or I can say, thank you so much, madam. I'll definitely fill it right now. I shall do it very carefully. Please attach your resume too. Please attach. Please attach a of your copy of your resume too. The receptionist says, please attach a copy of your resume to Alice. And Alice says, okay, madam, I will. Okay, okay, madam, I will. All right? And then, excuse me, madam, what do I write over here? Excuse me, ma'am, excuse me. What do I write over here? What do I write? Over here? Then Alice told, you could mention your professional experience. You could mention. You could mention your professional. You could mention your professional experience. Experience in computers, if any. So receptionist tells Anne, see that column. He says, please help me. What do I write here? So that column is for you to fill in your professional experience in computers. If you have worked with computers in some other company, you mention it in that particular column, the receptionist says, and they go on. Then the receptionist says, please drop the form in the drop box. So once you finish that, the receptionist tells Alice, please drop the forms in the drop box. In that drop box. Okay? Please drop the forms in that drop box. We'll call you for an interview. We'll call you. We'll call you for an interview. So receptionist says, after filling in, drop your forms in that box and we'll call you for an interview. Then Alice says, thanks. Thank you, madam. Thank you, madam. Bye. The receptionist says, you are welcome, Alice. You are welcome. Alice has found a job and she's applying for a job with the help of the receptionist. She finds something in the paper and she goes to the office, make inquiry, get the form, fills it with the support of the receptionist, and there she's trying to land a job. So applying with the help of someone, hoping to get the job. Let's read together what I have here for you. Good day, madam. I am Anne. Good morning, Miss Anne. What can I do for you? I saw your advertisement and have come regarding that job. Anne, please sit down and fill in these forms in detail. Thanks, madam. I shall do so. Please attach a copy of your resume too, Alice. Okay, madam, I will. Excuse me, what do I write over here? You could mention your professional experience in computers, if any. Please drop the forms in that drop box. We'll call you for an interview. Thank you, madam. Bye. You're welcome, Alice.